Hey, it's Brian Garamardella here with Huntington MarineMax. Today we're going to look at a 2025 Boston Whaler 21 Montauk. So this 21 Montauk is powered by Mercury 200 outboard. Stern, you got these nice folding jump seats. Simply fold those away when you want to do your fishing. It's actually like a nice platform here. You got 4 rod holders in the back. You've got your aft rails. The boat is equipped with a split bow rail, which is nice. You got 2 rod holders here that have covers on them. This is storage, not a live well. You got tackle storage here. A reversible lean post. This boat is equipped with the JL audio system, Simrad screen. You do have trim tabs. And a nice storage compartment for phone, wallet, keys. So, right underneath the helm here, you do have a small head area. So when necessary, at least you got one on the boat. So here in the back, you can see you got your nice cushion package here. Favorite thing I like, you got these removable backrests. So simply take these, stow them underneath the helm. Now you've got rod holders. So that's both on your port and starboard side. Interesting aspect here, you've got built-in cup holders here on each side. You also have 2 on each side there. You've got a nice tie point here for an anchor, and your line will simply wrap around your bow light here. Nice igloo cooler with a seat here for passengers that want to face forward. And this boat is equipped with a hardtop, and you've got 4 rocket launchers on the aft side. This is a nice fishing boat. Take out in the bay, the Sound, the Great South Bay. If you're interested in learning more about this Boston Whaler 21 Montauk, contact us here at MarineMax Huntington, 631-424-2710.